One very important component of pediatric history taking is the history of development. Now, development in a child has mainly four domains. One is gross motor, another is fine motor, third being the language, and fourth being social. Now, in this video, let us delve deep into the fine motor developmental domain in pediatric history taking. So, fine motor developmental milestone starts at 4 months of age. Before 4 months, 0 to 3 months, there's no development. So we can start our discussion with a very simple equation. We can remember that 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Now this 4, 8 and 12 represent 4 months, 8 months and 12 months. Along with that, we will add two more numbers. The two more numbers will be 6 and 9. Now let us see what all these things mean. We will use a word, simple word, small word, that is DPP. D simply means dexterous grasp, then the P means palmar grasp, and the last P means pincer grasp. Dexterous means with hand. Now at 4 months of age, the baby develops dexterous grasp. At 8 months of age around, the baby develops palmar grasp, and at around 12 months of age, the baby develops pincer grasp. Now at 4 months of age, the baby develops a bidextrous grasp, which gets modified to unidextrous grasp as the baby goes into 6 months of age. That means the baby is maturing. Then we come to the palmar part. Now 8 represents palmar grasp. Now at around 8 months, the baby develops a mature palmar grasp. Then when the immature palmar grasp will be? The immature palmar grasp will be in 6 months. So hence 6 months becomes very important. In one hand, the 6 months is for unidextrous grasp. On the other hand, it is also important for immature palmar grasp, which becomes mature at 8 months. Then we come to 12. At 12, we have pincer grasp. Now at 12, there is a mature pincer grasp. That is your radial pincer grasp. And at around 9 months, there is an immature pincer grasp, which is ulnar pincer grasp. So this part becomes a bit tricky to remember, I understand. So let me revise this part once again for you. We have written 4 plus 8 equals to 12. Above 4 I have written 6 and above 12 I have written 9 because the 6 is related to 4 and the 9 is related to 12 over here. And we have written another line which is DPP. D stands for dexterous, P stands for palmar and the last P stands for pincer grasp. Now 4 and D. So at 4 months of age, the baby develops a bidextrous grasp. That means the baby holds with 2 hands, which becomes a unidextrous grasp at 6 months of age. The baby matures. At around 6 months also, the baby develops a palmar grasp, but that remains immature, which matures at 8 months of age. So 4 to 6, 6 to 8. 12 months is associated with pincer grasp. Now 9 is just above 12. So at around 9 months of age, the pincer grasp is immature, which matures by 12 months of age. And hence 9 is immature pincer grasp, 12 is mature pincer grasp. Immature means ulnar pincer grasp, mature means radial pincer grasp. So by now with this, we have understood the developmental milestones in fine motor domain up to 1 year. That means if I summarize over here, what it will be that from 0 to 3 months, there's nothing. From 3 months to you have 12 months, that is 1 year, you have this grasp concept. By 12 months, you can see that baby has already developed a mature pincer grasp. That means a baby can grab a pen or a pencil. Now, after 12 months, the baby starts to draw. Now, based on those drawings, we can remember the developmental milestones 1 year onward. So the mnemonic will be simple. There will be a mnemonic that is your 15, 1.5, then locks STT. 15, 1.5 locks STT. Let's try to understand one by one what's happening over here. Now at 15 months, the baby starts to scribble. So there's a scribbling. At around 1.5 years, that is around 18 months, the baby draws a vertical line. At 2 years, the baby draws a horizontal line. L is line, that is horizontal. Then we come to O. O represents a circle which is drawn by the baby at around 3 years of age. Then baby draws a cross which is represented by the X over here at 4 years of age. Then the baby draws a square at around 4.5 years of age, a triangle at around 5 years of age, and diamonds finally at 6 to 7 years of age. So now this image summarizes our understanding of development from 1 year to 7 year. And by 7 year, more or less, the fine skills are almost developed. So it starts, the second half of our understanding starts from 1 year, in which there's 15, that is 15 months, the baby scribbles. Then 1.5, that is years. 1.5 is vertical line. 2 years, horizontal line, that is L. Then O stands for circle at 3 years of age. X stands for cross at 4 years of age. S stands for square at 4.5 years of age. T stands for triangle at 5 years of age. And diamonds, as in D, at 6 to 7 years of age. Over here, the most important thing that you should remember that everything is coming in a sequence. There are only 2 fractions, that is 1.5 years in the very beginning, and in the middle there's 4.5 years. Apart from that, it is a continuous sequence of 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and 6 years. I hope this video will simplify your understanding and ways to remember the fine motor developmental skills in a child. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share this video among your friends, and do subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a video from my channel. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one.